Nation? Michael Crafton with your Friday weekly update on July the 5th. Today's safety topic of the week is lockout tagout. The purpose of the Nelbud Energy Control Program is to prevent unexpected energizing startup or release of stored energy to prevent employee injury. Our most used lockout tagout devices is the lock and key used to lock out main power sources for any pieces of equipment that you're working on. We may also use the double pole breaker lockout, the wall switch lockout, or single pole breaker lockout, to name a few. A lockout tagout shall be performed only by an authorized employee who are performing the service or maintenance per OSHA. All systems have to be locked out, tagged out. If the items are not locked out, tagged out, serious injury could occur, and these could include cuts from blades of an exhaust fan that is accidentally started when you're inside cleaning it, electrical shock or serious injury from faulty wiring, or fatal injuries from accidental startups of rotary ovens or pizza ovens if we're cleaning or utilizing any type of tool to get inside those units. Always, always, always follow all safety rules, including the Nelbud Lockout Tagout program, to prevent injury and be safe. This is not the first time we've talked about lockout tagout on our Friday videos, and the reason that we're continually reinforcing the lockout tagout rule is how important it is to keep Nelbud employees safe when they're out in the field working hard. And as everyone knows, Nelbud's core values is chapters, and S is the bookend and what holds us all together and what keeps us strong, which is safety. So please don't forget that. Speaking of chapters, today's chapter reminder is the P, which is pride. We bleed blue. We're proud of the work we do and the way that we do it. We are the industry leader. Be proud of the organization that you work for, and be proud and have some company pride surrounded the fact that we are the only ISO company in the world for what we do. We're the fastest growing company in our industry. We're the largest company in our industry, but more importantly, we're doing things the right way. We sometimes need to get better at certain things that we do, but that's all a part of our core values of being accountable and change and honest with ourselves, and teamwork and energy and respect. As long as we can identify those things and work on them, whether it's HR or sales or operations or cleaning processes or inspection processes or repair work for tech services, anything we do, have pride in what you're doing, because it does show, and the marketplace is responding right now as we continue to we're growing so fast that we need to make sure that we're continually keeping up with that demand, and just be proud of what we're doing. I think it's really exciting, and you can tell I'm passionate about it because I'm just so proud to be a part of such a great team. A town hall reminder, I've been talking about that for 3 weeks. We finally locked that date in. So we're going to be holding a company-wide town hall on Tuesday, July 16th at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. So again, that is Tuesday, July 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The day before, we'll send out the call-in information and dial-in with the password. So all Nelbud employees are absolutely encouraged to call in and listen to see how the first half of the year went for Nelbud, to listen to some really great things that we accomplished, some things that we need to work on, and what the future holds for the rest of this year as we go into the second half of 2019. It is a really great call. It takes about an hour. I'll be running the call, going through a lot of really great high-level things that are mostly positive, but there's going to be some negatives because we're all in this together. So please plan on joining in July the 16th, which is a Tuesday, at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Big shout out. I hope everybody had an awesome July 4th yesterday. I know I'm proud of the country. I'm proud of Nelbud, and it's really great time to be alive and be in this wonderful nation that we're in. So thank you so much for all those that have hard work, and I hope that you really enjoyed the weekend. Some of you had a really long weekend, which is fantastic. So please get some rest and relaxation and spend time with your families. 4 birthdays today: Mr. James Chubb, for next week, James Chubb, Sean Lowe, Joshua Ruiz, and Kevin Wooten. Happy birthday. Have a great birthday week with your first week of July birthdays. We're really excited for you to have a really great week. 4 anniversaries, 2 of which are phenomenal anniversaries, really long. But first, Mr. Tim Green, 1-year anniversary with Nelbud. Congrats, Tim. I appreciate that. And I hope that you have many more anniversaries. Kevin Blanchero, 1-year anniversary. Also, thank you, Kevin. I've heard your name brought up a bunch of times for your hard work and dedication to our core values. So keep that up. A 5-year anniversary for Mr. Pete CARKHUFF, 2-time President's Club Award winner in our sales department out of our East Coast branches. Pete, thanks for everything you do. I love your passion, your knowledge of the code, just the dedication that you have to the service, to life safety, to NELBUD in general. It definitely bleeds through, and we all are energized when we get to talk to you. So thank you for so much for your hard work over the last 5 years, and I'm looking forward to continually working hard to be on your team. And a big anniversary, drum roll please. We have an 8-year anniversary alert, 8-year anniversary alert for Mr. Jeremy Smith, our regional manager of the Evansville territory, which includes our Nashville, Paducah expansion, also the St. Louis market coming up soon. So Jeremy, thank you so much for your hard work, 8 years of hard work. I know we've been through a lot together, and watching you grow and just get your career off the ground with NELBUD. It's been truly remarkable. So keep up the hard work and keep motivating your team. So congrats, Jeremy Smith, and hopefully your office is all cheering right now out loud. So have a wonderful weekend. It's the holiday weekend. Be really safe out there. Make sure you're safe around fireworks so that we don't get hurt or burned. Thank you for all you do. Have a great weekend, Chapters.